Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your location. This news update is for 2Face Idibia. If you are new on this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, share her videos, click the notification icon for more videos. Anytime I upload new content, you stay updated. Let's get to the details of the news. 2Face Idibia breaks down in tears as he faced grief of late Sultan. Veteran singer and actor Innocent Oja Idibia, better known as 2Face Idibia, has visited the grave of late legendary singer Sultan. The death of the singer had thrown the nation into mourning when he left the world on July 11, 2021. He had given up the ghost after battling with angioimmunoblastic T-cell lymphoma cancer of the throat, although prior to his death, he had undergone chemotherapy in a hospital in America. The legendary 2Face Idibia has taken to his social media to reveal that he had gone to pay his respect to the great singer. He wrote, "Went to pay my respect to my brother Sultan with my brothers." Stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Thank you.
Fall in love? For me, is, she's beautiful, she's intelligent, and I always have a very, very good conversation. We have that, right from day one. We started off as friends, and the love just was natural. What else? I mean, good heart.
Keep it coming. Keep it.
And then and then I like when she para. Sometimes when she para, at that time I want kiss and pass because it's cute. But I know they like the para. Because they make me feel bad. Say I cause paralysis. So
for me, I think was sense of humor. This man is funny. Ha! He knows that's the juju he used to use for everybody. His sense of humor, he's so funny. And then Innocent has a good heart. Honestly, guys, it's like the things that would not get Innocent angry. You'd be wondering, where are you from? Baby, I actually think, say you be like, say you come from, like you be, your heart's like angel hearts. Good man. Good man. I think that's why I love you. And you're so damn handsome. Look at him. Look at his lips. He's too fine.
Turn to this camera. Turn to this camera.
He's so handsome. Like, look at him.
Oh.
But in marriage, baby, I think even when you're mad at your spouse, I think you should always sleep in the same room, no matter what. We stay mad, but we still sleep on the same bed, and we stay mad. Right.
Now that one is funny sometimes.
That one is funny, Sha. That we just lie down on the bed and we're not talking to each other.
I did tell you.
But let's tell them something, yeah? Love is not easy. Staying with someone together, married to the person, living with the person, it's a challenge on its own.
Yep.
So let's just try to make the best of every day. Let's learn to love each other more, enough to forgive each other. Okay, I'm talking to myself now. So let's learn to love each other enough to forgive each other when we hurt each other. And by forgiving the next person, you're actually making yourself a happier person. Enjoy your marriage. Not only this one you get, enjoy your family. That's all you have to.
What made you